Oh no. This branch is going to break. We are going to fall, Lucy.
Oh no, this branch is going to break. دغه خاغ به مات شي. branch ولکیږي خاغ ته. We are going to fall, Lucy. موږ به وغورځېږو لوسی. fall ولکیږي غورځېدلو ته.
Please do something. I don't want to die.
Please do something. مهرباني وکړه یو څه وکړه. I don't want to die. زه نه غواړم چې مړه شم. die ولکیږي مړ کېدلو ته.
I want to tell you something, Lucy.
I want to tell you something, Lucy. زه غواړم چې تا ته یو څه ووایم لوسی.
Oh no. We are going to die, Leo. Please save me.
Oh no, we are going to die, Leo. موږ به مړ شو لیو. Please save me. مهرباني وکړه ما وژغوره.
Don't move, otherwise I will shoot you.
Don't move. حرکت ونه کې. Otherwise کننو. Otherwise مطلب کننو. I will shoot you. زه به تا وولمه.
Please let me go. I did not do anything wrong.
Please let me go. مهرباني وکړه اجازه ماته راکړه چې زه لاړ شم. I did not do anything wrong. ما هیڅ هم غلط نه دی کړی.
Don't play with us. You kidnapped Lucy. Where is she?
Don't play with us. لمونږ سره لوبې مه کوه. You kidnapped Lucy. تا لوسی اغوا کړه. kidnap ولکیږي اغوا کول ته د یو انسان تښتون ته kidnap ولکیږي. Where is she? هغه چیرته ده؟
What are you talking about? I did not kidnap her.
What are you talking about? دا ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوي؟ I did not kidnap her. ما هغه نه ده اغوا کړې.
Don't mess with us. What were you doing here?
Don't mess with us. لمونږ سره ورانۍ مه کوه. mess ولکیږي ورانۍ کول. What were you doing here? تا دلته څه کول؟
I wanted to see some birds. That's why I came here. I want to go now.
I wanted ما غوښتل to see some birds چې یو څه مرغېګانې ووینم. That's why نو ځکه I came here. زه دلته راغلی وم. I want to go now. زه غواړم چې اوس لاړ شم.
Stop lying. Lucy's mom told us everything about you. You shot Lucy's mom.
Stop lying. دروغ ویل بند کا. Lucy's mom told us everything about you. د لوسی مور مونږ ته هر څه ستا باره کې وویلې. You shot Lucy's mom. تا د لوسی مور وویستله.
You cannot escape from us. You are under arrest.
You cannot escape from us. ته نشې کولی چې له موږ څخه وتښتې. escape ولکېږي تښتېدلو ته. You are under arrest. ته په حراست کې یې. under arrest ولکېږي په حراست کې نیول.
I am so sorry. I will tell you everything. Lucy and Leo fell down from the mountain.
I am so sorry. زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم. I will tell you everything. زه به تا ته هر څه ووایم. Lucy and Leo fell down from the mountain. Lucy او Leo وغورځېدل له غره څخه. mountain ولکېږي غره ته.
What? Did you kill them? Where is that place? Take us there.
What, sir? Did you kill them? آیا تا هغه ووژل؟ Where is that place? هغه ځای چیرته دی؟ Take us there. موږ هلته بوځه.
There is a lake down there. I hope they are alive. I will find them.
There is a lake down there. هلته یو جهیل دی لاندې. لیک ولکېږي جهیل ته. I hope زه امید لرم they are alive چې دوی به ژوندي وي. I will find them. زه به دوی پیدا کړم.
Should I inform the whole team? What should I do, sir?
Should I inform the whole team? آیا زه باید دغه ټول ټیم خبر کړم خبرتیا ورکړم. inform ولکېږي خبرتیا ورکول. What should I do, sir? زه باید څه وکړم ښاغلیه.
You have to take David to the police station. I will find Leo and Lucy.
You have to take David to the police station. ته باید David police station ته بوځې. I will find Leo and Lucy. زه به لیو او لوسی پیدا کړم.
Please forgive me. I don't want to go to jail.
Please forgive me. مهرباني وکړه ما معاف کا. forgive ولکېږي معاف کولو ته. I don't want to go to jail. زه نه غواړم چې جیل ته لاړ شم.
Shut up. You have to pay for everything. You tried to kill someone.
Shut up. چوپ شه. You have to pay for everything. ته باید د هر څه لپاره ادا وکړې. نو کوم کار چې دې کړی ده دغه بدله به ورکوي. You try to kill someone تا کوشش وکړ چې یو څوک ووژنې.
Where am I? Lucy, where are you?
Where am I? زه چیرته یم؟ Lucy, where are you? Lucy ته چیرته یې؟
Thank God. She is breathing. Lucy, open your eyes.
Thank God, شکر الله, she's breathing. هغه ساه اخلي. breathing ویل کېږي ساه اخیستلو ته. Lucy, open your eyes. Lucy سترګې دې خلاصې که.
Please open your eyes. Can you hear me? We are alive.
Please open your eyes. مهرباني وکړه سترګې دې خلاصې که. Can you hear me? آیا ته کولی شې چې ما واورې؟ We are alive. موږ ژوندي یو.
Leo, are you okay? I am worried about you.
Leo, are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟ I am worried about you. زه ستا باره کې پریشانه یم.
I am fine. We are alive, Lucy. Can you stand up?
I am fine. زه ټیک یم. We are alive, Lucy. موږ ژوندي یو, Lucy. Can you stand up? آیا ته کولی شې چې ودرېږې؟
How are you feeling? Please talk to me, Lucy.
How are you feeling? ته څنګه احساس کوې؟ feeling ویل کېږي احساس کولو ته. Please talk to me, Lucy. مهرباني وکړه ما سره خبرې وکړه, Lucy.
I am fine. Please get me out of this forest. I want to meet my mom.
I am fine. زه ټیک یم. Please get me out of this forest. له دې مهرباني وکړه له دې ځنګل څخه ما وباسه. forest ویل کېږي ځنګل ته. I want to meet my mom. زه غواړم چې له خپلې مور سره ملاقات وکړم.
Don't sweat it. We will survive, Lucy. Police will find us.
Don't sweat it. پریشانه کېږه ما. We will survive, Lucy. موږ به ژوندي پاتې کېږو, Lucy. Police will find us. پولیس به موږ پیدا کړي.
I am starving. I want to eat something. I have not eaten anything since morning.
I am starving. زه ډېره وږې یم. starving ویل کېږي ملګرو کله چې انسان ډېر وږی وي د هغه لپاره موږ starving استعمالوو. سیدی I want to eat something. زه غواړم چې یو څه وخورم. I have not eaten anything. ما هیڅ هم نه دي خوړلي since morning له سهار څخه.
I will find something for you. Let's go from here.
I will find something for you. زه به ستا لپاره یو څه پیدا کړم. Let's go from here. راځه چې له دې ځای څخه لاړ شو.
Please, sister, get me out of here. I don't want to stay here.
Please, sister, مهرباني وکړه خورې. Get me out of here. له دې ځای څخه مې وباسه. I don't want to stay here. زه نه غواړم چې دلته پاتې شم.
You have let me down. Why did you kidnap Lucy?
You have let me down. تا زه ښکته کړم. مطلب د خلکو په نظر کې د ښکته کړم ډېره. Why did you kidnap Lucy? تا لوسی ولې اغوا کړه؟
You shot her mother as well. You have destroyed your life.
You shot her mother as well. تا د هغې مور هم وویستله. You have destroyed your life. تا خپل ژوند تباه کړی دی. Destroy ویل کېږي تباه کولو ته.
Lucy is still missing. I hope she is alive. I cannot help you, David.
Lucy is still missing. Lucy لا تر اوسه پورې ورکه ده. Missing ویل کېږي ورکه. I hope زه امید لرم she is alive چې هغه به ژوندی وي. I cannot help you, David. زه نشم کولی چې ستا کومک وکړم, David.
I wanted to marry her. She does not love me, sister. It hurts me a lot.
I wanted to marry her. ما غوښتل چې له هغې سره واده وکړم. Marry ویل کېږي واده کولو ته. She does not love me, sister. هغه له ما سره مینه نه کوي خورې. It hurts me a lot. دا ما ته ډېر تکلیف راکوي.
I am so sorry for everything. You have to help me in this case.
I am so sorry for everything. زه د هر څه لپاره ډېره بخښنه غواړم. You have to help me in this case. ته باید زما کومک وکړې په دې کیس کې.
I cannot do anything right now. Police are looking for Lucy.
I cannot do anything right now. زه فی الحال هیڅ هم نشم کولی. Police are looking for Lucy. پولیس چې دا لوسی لټنه کوي.
I hope they will find Lucy alive. You should not have kidnapped her.
I hope زه امید لرم they will find Lucy alive. چې دوی به لوسی ژوندۍ پیدا کړي. You should not have kidnapped her. تا باید هغه اغوا کړې نه وای.
I have to go right now. I will come later.
I have to go right now. زه باید اوس لاړه شم. I will come later. زه به وروسته بیا راځم.